Hey there! If you're into delicate handcrafted accessories with a unique touch of artistry, you need to explore Hana Emi. Known for their floral-inspired jewelry and hair accessories, Hana Emi brings a subtle elegance to any outfit. And in this video, I'll show you how to get a special discount on your first order using our referral link in the description. Hana Amy's collection features a stunning mix of handmade earrings, hairpins, necklaces, and brooches, often crafted with pressed flower encapsulated in resin, gold-plated metals, minimalist yet romantic designs, perfect for weddings, gifts, or adding a soft accent to everyday looks. Their pieces are inspired by Japanese simplicity and nature's beauty. The brand is also known for its elegant packaging, making every order feel like a special gift. The website offers curated collections like bridal accessories, seasonal blossoms, and even custom personalization for unique design. Also, as you can see, the website is pretty easy to use, user friendly. You have specific Amazon customer like feedback session with testimonial, so you can really navigate, scroll, and enjoy by choosing what you actually need. So use the referral link in the description to unlock 10-20% of your first purchase. Sometimes they offer bundle discounts for matching sets and free shipping on larger orders. If you want handcrafted beauty with an artistic soul, Hana Emi is the way to go, and our link helps you save.